No, he was off. We got him.
Down there.
Yeah.
They're gonna race down it or up it. Just walk down it. If you can hear me.
The first time we did
This is his phone.
I was thinking
So scary. Oh God. I paused it there for a second. So. Okay. Three. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Three, 2, 1, go.
No, you just barely beat me. Like as we get into the top, he's gonna.
Barely. That was difficult. You beat me though, first time, legitimately. That's tough. And the only reason I'm beating you, Isaac, is because my legs are longer, so really you're going just as fast as my fast as it is. Or your age, your height, you beat me. Alright, let's go.
If you were my age, I'd also be way better than you in tennis.
Okay.
Yeah, true.